If you've gone through our troubleshooting videos and realized that your power cord is not working properly, here's how to replace it. First things first, it may seem really obvious, but always make sure you unplug your power cord before you do anything. With the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws holding your controller onto the hopper. Push the controller back through the mounting hole of your hopper. Make sure your pellet hopper is completely empty of any pellets. Remove the 4 screws holding your hopper to the barrel of your grill. There's 2 screws in the front and 2 in the back. Now remove the hopper from your grill and set it aside. Unplug the black Molex connectors coming from your power cord. Loosen the 8/32 ground screw and green grounding wire. With pliers, squeeze the plastic piece holding the wire in place. Now you're ready to wiggle the wire out, feeding it through the mounting hole. Now you're ready to put your new power cord onto your grill. First thing you want to do is feed the wiring through the mounting hole. Take extra care to make sure that we plug in the Molex connector back to the black wire coming from your controller, and especially make sure this green grounding wire is installed properly. Now that you've attached your new power cord to your grill, reassemble the hopper and the controller, and you're back up and rolling. Make sure to check out our other grill maintenance videos on our website. Register your grill on TraegerGrills.com. If you have any further questions, give our customer service a call at 1-800-TRAEGER. Happy grilling.